Hello everybody. So Rocky and I once again we're feeling the what is it? Isolation of the current quarantine that's going on. And we're feeling a little stir crazy. You know, cabin fever was starting to set in really badly, so I was like, you know what? Screw it. Let's do a hike today. So we came out here to Chief Mountain in Arapahoe National Forest, and we're gonna do a hike. Bring you along with. This is great. This is just, it's just the beginning of the hike too. It's like already just feeling better. It's feeling a little crazy, kind of depressed. You know, just all around kind of feeling like shit. Being cooped up inside for weeks on end. And just feels good to get out, get some fresh air. At the entrance of the hike, there was no cars, like at all. So I think I'm the only person here, which is kind of cool. So, yeah, feeling great. Feeling good to be out here. Grateful.
Rocky,
Hey. No more? I dropped it. So, I've been just kind of chilling here. Well, probably about 35-40 minutes or so. Just hanging out on the side of the mountain, taking in the views. Really, and don't really have to be anywhere, so not in any rush to like get to the top, get the hike done, and then head back home. So, top's right there. We're up, we're close, right? We've been just chilling, hanging out. Rocky's over there, I don't know, eating snow. Anyways, Rocky's over there laying in the snow, getting dirty. And we're just hanging out. Not really doing much of anything. Had a little granola bar. And we're just enjoying the views. All right, we started the final ascent. Not very far to go, but snow's starting to melt. Well, obviously, but it's like super heavy snow, meaning it's melting and kind of getting waterlogged. Whew. The air is thin up here. Come on, Rocky. Almost there. We made it. Tip top of Chief Mountain. Did it, baby. So Rocky and I made it to the very top of Chief Mountain Trail, and here we are at the very tippy tip top. Pretty neat. Not a bad hike. I think it was in total maybe 2 miles up. It'll be 2 miles down, so 4. It's not too bad. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out here and enjoy the views. Oh yeah, one more thing. One last thing to do. Enjoy top of the mountain beer. And it's only appropriate that I'm drinking a Coors Light because it's brewed in the Rockies right here in Colorado. Cheers to you guys. Hopefully everyone's staying safe, healthy, and most importantly, happy. Cheers. Booyah! How do you like that, Rocky? We're off the tip top. We're gonna be heading back down now. But man, it's just freaking amazing up here. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, we had our beer. We had our mountaintop beer. And now it's time to make the 2-ish mile trek down and head home. We're gonna go off trail. I don't want to walk in the snow anymore. Most of the hike is snowy. So we're gonna go hang out by where we were sitting earlier. As long as we can, at least. Man. One last final take it all in. So we're just on our descent down, and I love this trail because it's all kind of like a tree tunnel. It's all grown in, and the descent is the best, obviously, because it's the descent. Going uphill kind of sucks ass, but it was a beautiful hike. The views are obviously worth it, and yeah, just really enjoying being in nature. I think it's important for everyone to go out and experience nature. I know we're all kind of stuck inside right now, going a little stir crazy, and it's tough times. A lot of people are losing their jobs. A lot of people who still have jobs, specifically people in like the grocery stores or in the medical field, they're busting their asses right now to get us out of this mess. And it's weird times right now. So obviously stay home, stay inside as much as you possibly can. But if you have an opportunity, or you live in an area where you can go to a remote spot, like at the beginning of this video I said I think I'm the only person here, and that was absolutely true. I haven't seen a single person this whole time. So I was just one guy and his dog at the tip top of a mountain. So that's, in my opinion, that's practicing enough social distancing. If anything, it's better than sitting at home, because I live in an apartment and there's a bunch of people around in an apartment. So like, you know, I come out here where there's nobody. But I think, you know, if you live in an area where you can do something like this and get away from people, I highly suggest do it. But I also want to stress that you practice being very, very safe when you do it, because Forest Services, you know, if you were to get lost or injured or something like that, though that staff has been cut down, right? So it is a bit more dangerous to come out into a remote area, you know, because, you know, if something were to happen to you, there's less staff to come and rescue you. So it is dangerous in that sense, right? But, you know, just be careful. Don't get yourself injured. Don't go off trail. You know, stay safe. And it'll be good for your mental to get out into the woods. Like, I was going crazy, and I spent a couple hours up here, and I just feel 1,000% better. 1,000% better. So, yeah, I suggest going on a hike if you can get away from people. That's my suggestion. Oh, pooping. Hey, you sexy thing. Woo! Get in. Good boy. Alright, y'all. Well, we made it back to the Subaru. We are gonna head home now. It was a wonderful time hanging out up the tip top of Chief Mountain Trail here in Arapahoe National Forest. It's about an hour drive home, so not too bad. But yeah, great hike. And just want to let you guys know that I'm happy you came along. Thanks.